Continuing to the differential equations, the next topic is your homogeneous differential equation of second and higher order differential equations, right? సో ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ లో మనం ఫస్ట్ ఆర్డర్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ దాని యొక్క సొల్యూషన్స్ using five methods. Those are variable separable, homogeneous differential equation of first order, right? Then we seen exact differential equation, then we seen linear differential equation and non-linear differential equation. Now this is second and higher order. As the name, it is suggesting that it is second order, means it is d square by dx square format, or y2 y double dash or f double dash of x format, right? So now try to see what is the general form of this second order differential equation, homogeneous one. So it is the form of a d square y by dx square plus b dy by dx plus cy is equal to 0. చూడనా, homogeneous అంటే గన is equal to 0 ఉంటుంది నాన్న. నాన్ హోమోజీనియస్ అంటే గన సంథింగ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు సమ్ ఫంక్షన్ ఉంటుంది. సో దట్ ఈస్ లైక్ e పవర్ ax sin ax cos ax like x square x cube like this, right? So is equal to 0 ఉంటే దాన్ని మనం homogeneous differential equation అంటాం ఇక్కడ, right? So now here a d square by dx square plus b dy by dx plus cy is equal to 0. So this is called the homogeneous linear differential equation of the second order, because here the highest order derivative is d square by dx square. So that's why it is a second order derivative, right? So now what you need to consider, what you need to remember here in this homogeneous and non-homogeneous differential equation is, first thing is we need to know the representation, that is d by dx is nothing but your derivative and it is denoted by capital D, nana, right? So and the reciprocal of this is your integration and it is denoted by 1 by d, nana, right? So now try to see how to solve this differential equation. So I'm representing in the place of d by dx as d, nana. So it will become a d square y plus b dy plus cy, right? ఎక్కడైతే d by dx ఉందో ఇక్కడ d square y dx square ఉందో దీని ప్లేస్ లో మనము d ని పెట్టామన్నమాట. d square ఇక్కడ d. So then it will become a d square y plus b dy plus cy. So this is called symbolic representation of the differential equation, right? This is called symbolic representation. So the next step is taking here y common from all this, it will become a d square plus bd plus c of y is equal to 0. So it is in the form of a quadratic equation. Now you can see, so this is the, what I can say, the symbolic equation or symbolic form of this differential equation, right? So here a comma b comma c are the constants. Then try to see how to solve the homogeneous differential equation. So here this is the equation that you have, that is a d square by dx square plus b dy by dx plus cy is equal to 0. So and it is in the symbolic form, we can write it as a d square plus bd plus c into y is equal to 0, right? So కొన్నిసార్లు మీకు క్వశ్చన్ ఈ ఫార్మాట్ లో ఇవ్వచ్చు, లేదా కొన్నిసార్లు మీకు డైరెక్ట్ గా ఇలా సింబాలిక్ ఫార్మాట్ లో ఇస్తాను, రైట్? సో ద సెకండ్ స్టెప్ ఈస్, మామూలుగా ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ వచ్చేసి మీకు ఇలా d స్క్వేర్ బై dx స్క్వేర్ ఉంటే కదా దాన్ని సింబాలిక్ ఫామ్ లో రాసుకోవాలన్నమాట. సో అది మీ ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్. సెకండ్ స్టెప్ ఈస్ యువర్ ఆప్షనల్ స్టెప్. యాక్చువల్లీ చెప్పాలంటే అదొక ఆప్షనల్, బట్ వీ విల్ కన్సిడర్ నౌ. సో ఏం చేస్తామంటే కన్నా ఇక్కడ డి ఏదైతే ఉందో దట్ ఈస్ డెరివేటివ్, దాంట్లో మనం స్మాల్ ఎమ్ ని రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తాం కదా, రైట్? సో స్మాల్ ఎమ్ ని రిప్రజెంట్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తాము అండ్ వై అటు సైడ్ పంపిస్తే 0 అయిపోయినట్టు. సో ఇక్కడ ఉన్న ఏడి స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ బిడి ప్లస్ సి కాస్త ఏఎం స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ బిఎం ప్లస్ సి గా అవుతుంది నాన్న, right? So this is called the auxiliary equation. This is called the auxiliary equation. Now you can see this is a quadratic equation of the variable m, nana, right? So from this what you need to do, you need to find the roots. You need to solve this quadratic equation. So while solving or after solving this, you will get the roots definitely, right? So from these roots, so roots may be different kind of things, because if it is a quadratic equation that you have two roots, if it is a cubic equation, cuboid, then you have three roots, right? So depending upon those roots the solution will vary. If those are real and equal, then you have one solution. If those are real and distinct, ante real numbers ayi different ga like 1 3, so ఆ విధంగా ఉంటే different solution. Let us suppose those are a complex numbers, then you have a different solution, right? So ఇక్కడ చూడండి, మీరు సెకండ్ స్టెప్ ని స్కిప్ చేయొచ్చు. ఎందుకంటే గన ఇక్కడ ఏం చేయట్లేదు, డి ప్లేస్ లో ఎం సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తున్నాం, యాక్సిలరీ ఈక్వేషన్ కన్వర్ట్ చేసి తర్వాత రూట్స్ ఫైండ్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో బేసికల్ గా మీరు ఏడి స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ బీడీ ప్లస్ సి లో నుంచి కూడా ఈక్వల్ టు 0 చేసేసి అక్కడ నుంచి రూట్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. సో దేర్ యూ విల్ గెట్ డి, right? So there you will get d values. So those also the roots of this only, right? Second step is your optional step. So to save your time, now try to see how this what I can solution will vary. So this is the differential equation that you have, a y double dash plus b y dash plus cy is equal to 0. So from this I am making an auxiliary equation, that is am square plus bm plus c, right? So for this quadratic equation we know how to find the roots. So that is m is equal to minus b plus or minus under b square minus 4ac by 2a. So this is the general formula. So but you can also follow the factorization method, right? So different you can use, if it is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, you can use a plus b whole square, like those kind of formulas you can utilize, right? That up to you what method you can use. Now try to see if the roots are real and distinct. Let us suppose this m1 and m2 are the two roots for this quadratic equation. Then here if these are real and distinct, means like 1 comma 2 minus 1 comma 2 minus 1 comma 3, like that రెండు డిఫరెంట్గా ఉండాలన్నమాట. సో దెన్ యువర్ జనరల్ సొల్యూషన్ ఆర్ కంప్లీట్ సొల్యూషన్ ఆర్ కంప్లీట్ ప్రిమిటివ్ ఆర్ కంప్లీట్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఈస్ denote here given by y is equal to ae m1 ae power m1x plus be power m2x అన్న. చూడండి జస్ట్ ae పవర్ x అనేది కామన్ గా వస్తుంది, x కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఉంది, దట్ ఈస్ m1 అండ్ m2. సో ఇఫ్ this is the general solution when the roots are real and distinct. If roots are real and equal, అంటే సేమ్ ఉండొచ్చు, లైక్ 2 కామా 2 minus 2 కామా minus 2, like 3 కామా 3 1 కామా 1. సో ఇఫ్ the roots are real, then y is equal to e power mx into a plus bx. ఆర్ మీరు ఇప్పుడు ఇదే ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు. బట్ ఏంటంటే ప్రాబ్లం ఇక్కడ, ఇప్పుడు చూడండి దీని నుంచి ఏ m1 m2 ఈక్వల్ అయిపోతాయి ఇక్కడ. సో ఏ ఏ ఈ పవర్ ఎంఎక్స్ ప్లస్ బి ఈ పవర్ ఎంఎక్స్ అవుతుంది. ఈ పవర్ ఎంఎక్స్ ని కామన్ తీసుకుంటే ఏ ప్లస్ బి అవుతుంది. బట్ ఇక్కడ రియల్ అండ్ ఈక్వల్ అయినప్పుడు మీరు ఈ పవర్ ఎంఎక్స్ ఇంటూ ఏ ప్లస్ బిఎక్స్. ఇఫ్ దెర్ ఆర్ 3 రూట్స్ దెన్ యూ నీడ్ టు యాడ్ సిఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్. If 3 roots are equal, then you need to add again plus cx square. Then if it is 4, dx power 3, like that, right? So next try to see the complex one. So if the roots are complex numbers, so those roots are m1 is alpha plus or minus j omega. Here j is the imaginary part and alpha and omega are the real numbers, right? So now y is equal to e power alpha x. Here alpha is what? Your real part. Then a cos omega x plus b sin omega x is the your solution. Here omega is the imaginary part, so that is omega. In both cases alpha and omega are there. So here definitely you will get m1 and m2 because complex numbers లో అందుకే ఇక్కడ చూడండి మనకి ఇక్కడ ఇన్ కేస్ m ని మీరు ఇక్కడ సాల్వ్ చేసినప్పుడు ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ వస్తుంది అనమాట. సో ప్లస్ ఒక కేసులో మైనస్ ఒక కేసులో వస్తుంది అనమాట కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్స్ మీకు ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయినప్పుడు, రైట్? సో చాలా సింపుల్గా ఉంటుంది, డెఫినెట్గా క్వశ్చన్ అయితే వస్తుంది. Try to see, very simple. The solution of differential equation d square y by dx square minus 4 dy by dx plus 3y is equal to 0. సో ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ వచ్చేసి మీరు డైరెక్ట్ గా సింబాలిక్ ఫార్ములా అన్న రాసుకోండి లేదా యాక్సిలరీ ఈక్వేషన్ అన్న ఫార్మ్ చేయండి అన్న. ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ అదే మీకు. సో టెల్ మీ ద సింబాలిక్ ఫార్మ్, హౌ టు రైట్ దిస్. ఇట్ విల్ బికమ్ d square
minus 4y
4d plus 3 into y. So is equal to 0. So from this you can find the roots of this d, or if you want to make an auxiliary equation you can make m square minus 4m plus 3 is equal to 0. So now tell me what are the roots?
minus b plus
minus 3, it is minus 1 minus 3. So you will get 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 are your roots. Now tell me what type of roots these are. These are real and equal, or real and distinct, or complex number. These are real and distinct because 1 3 na. So there is no imaginary part, it is not a complex number. If it is real and equal, then 2 are equal, right? So then your general solution y is equal to
minus
a
b
e power m1 that is x plus b e power 3x. So one more thing, ఇక్కడ నేను a b అనుకున్నాను. You can also assume c1 c2 c3 like that. So that's up to you what type of constant you can keep. సో మీకు ఆప్షన్స్ లో కూడా ఏ బి అనేది ఉంటుంది కాదు, ఇక్కడ ఏ బి అనేది కాన్స్టెంట్ అనమాట. సో మీరు c1 c2 ఆ విధంగా ఆప్షన్స్ లో ఉండొచ్చు అనమాట, రైట్. సో దెన్ యూ ఆన్సర్ విల్ బికమ్ c1 e power x plus c2 e power 3x. That's it, that is the answer. Now try to see the next one. The general solution of the differential equation d square by dx square minus 4 divided by dx plus 4y is equal to 0 is. So now try to make the auxiliary equation directly. M square minus 4m plus 2 is equal to 0. So tell me what are the roots?
2, 2.
Very good. So it's simple, 2, 2. Yes. 2, 2. So roots are real and equal. Then your general solution y is equal to, so e power mx that is e power 2x into, let's consider the constants are c1 plus c2 x. That's it. This is your answer, right? So now try to see the next one. The solution of the differential equation d cube by dx cube minus 4 d square by dx square plus 3 dy by dx is equal to 0. Now it is a cubic, right? So cubic, 3 roots you will get. So first thing, the good thing here is constant లేదు మీకు ఇక్కడ. So if you write a auxiliary equation, it will come what? M cube minus
4y m square
4m square plus
3
3m is equal to 0. So you can take m common. What will become? M square minus 4 plus 3 minus 4m plus 3 is equal to 0. So definitely from this you will tell one root is 0. And tell me what the root, two roots?
3, 1.
3, 1. Very good. So 1, 3. Now this is 0, this is 1, this is 3. So 3 roots are real and distinct. Your general solution will become y is equal to c1 e power x that is e power 0x plus c2 e power x plus c3 e power 3x. So here e power 0x will become your 1. So your answer is c1 plus c2 e power x plus c3 e power 3x. Now try to see the next one. Solve the differential equation d square by dx square plus 3 dy by dx minus 54y is equal to 0. So first try to make the auxiliary equation directly. What will become? M square plus 3m minus 54 is equal to 0. So now tell me what the roots will become. చూడండి, ప్రోడక్ట్ వచ్చేసి -54 రావాలి, సమ్ చేసినప్పుడు 3 రావాలి.
6, -9.
Very good, Nana. So your roots are 6, -9. So if you multiply this 6 into -9, it will come -54. If you add this 6, oh, it is 6, -9. Yes, roots are 6, -9. You here it will become -6, -9. Yes. So real and distinct, definitely y is equal to, tell me, c1 e power 6x plus c2 e power
9
minus 9x. This is the general solution. Now try to see the next one. The complementary solution అన్న, కాంప్లిమెంటరీ సొల్యూషన్ అన్న, కంప్లీట్ సొల్యూషన్ అన్న, లేదంటే జనరల్ సొల్యూషన్ అన్న, కంప్లీట్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ అన్నా కానీ సేమ్ ఆన్సర్ అన్న, రైట్. సో కాంప్లిమెంటరీ సొల్యూషన్ ఆఫ్ d square minus 2d minus 3 into y is equal to 0. ఆల్రెడీ సింబాలిక్ ఫామ్ లో ఇచ్చారు. సో రైట్ అనే auxiliary equation m square minus 2m minus 3 is equal to 0. So now tell me what the roots will become.
3, -1.
3, -1. Yes, very good. So start with a lesser value always, -1, 3. So these are the roots, real and distinct. Your general solution will come y is equal to c1 e power minus 1x that is minus x plus c2 e power 3x. Now try to see the next one. D square minus 4d plus 3 into y is equal to 0. So if you write the auxiliary equation, m square minus 4m plus 3 into y is equal to 0. So now tell me what the roots will become. 3, -1. Yes, very good. So start with a lesser value always, -1, 3. So plus 3. So what the roots will become? I think this kind of question is already solved. M is equal to, what M will become?
1, 3.
Yes, 1 comma 3. So your general solution y is equal to c1 e power x plus c2 e power 3x. Now try to see the next one. D square minus 18m plus 77. So m square minus 18, it's D, 18m plus 77. So tell me what the roots will become. 77 and 11 into 7 చూడండి.
Yes, sir.
Minus 11 into minus 7. So your m will become 7 and 11. Because if you multiply minus 7 and minus 11, it will become plus 77. And if you add minus 7, minus 11, it will become minus 18. Right? So your roots will become 7 and 11. The general solution y is equal to c1 e power 7x plus c2 7 power e power 11x. This is your general solution. Now try to see the next one. D square plus 9 is equal to oh, please turn off your mic. D square plus 9 into y is equal to 0. So how to solve this question? What d square will become? D square is minus 9. So what d will become? It is plus or minus 3i. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? So now nothing is there. You can keep 0 here. So what type of roots these are?
Real and imaginary.
Real and imaginary are complex roots. It's
Complex.
complex na 0 plus 3i, 0 minus 3i, right? So here alpha is equal to 0, beta is equal to 3. So your general solution y is equal to
E power a into x.
c1 e power, that is 0x. So no c1 here. Yes. c1 cos omega x, that is 3x plus c2 sin 3x.
Sir, AB అనేది తీసుకోవచ్చు కదా సార్ C ప్లస్ లో.
Yes, you can consider AB because c అనేది ఒక కాన్స్టెంట్ అని మనం రిప్రజెంట్ చేసుకుంటాము. e పవర్ 0x will become 1. So here your answer will become c1 cos 3x plus c2 sin 3x. Right? Y is equal to, this is your answer. Now tell me for d square minus 9 is equal to 0.
Minus 3 comma plus 3.
Minus 3 comma plus 3. So your general solution y is equal to c1 e power 3 minus 3x plus c2 e power plus 3. Okay. So that is your second order, or we also see in the third order as well. Now try to see the linear differential equations of higher order here. So it is starting from d power 4. You can see the question. Solve d power 4 plus 2d cube plus d square into y is equal to 0. So how to solve this question? So write the auxiliary equation. M power 4 plus 2m cube plus m square is equal to 0. So first of all, you can take m square common. Then you will get m square plus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. So definitely m square is equal to 0 and put 2 roots 0 అయిపోతాయి na. 2 roots are 0. And tell me what about the remaining 2?
Minus 1 comma minus 1.
Very good. Minus 1 comma minus 1. So now if you see, these 2 roots are real and equal. These 2 roots are irreal and equal. So your general solution y is equal to c1 plus c2x into e power 0x plus c3 plus c4x into e power minus x. E power 0x will become 1. So you can write c1 plus c2x plus c3 plus c4x into e power minus x. So 4 roots వస్తాయి మీకు ఇక్కడ d power 4 కాబట్టి 4 కాన్స్టెంట్స్ వస్తాయి నాన్న. So that's why we are telling that the number of arbitrary constants present in the equation is equal to the order of the differential equation. right? Now try to see the next one. D cube by dx cube minus 7 d square by dx square plus 16 dy by dx minus 12y is equal to 0. So if you write the auxiliary equation, it will become m cube minus 7m square plus 16m minus 12 is equal to 0. సో ఇక్కడ సింథటిక్ డివిజన్ ద్వారా సాల్వ్ చేద్దాము. సో మైనస్ 12కి ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ రాసుకుంటే కనుక మీకు 1 minus 1 2 minus 2 3 minus 3 4 minus 4 ఆ విధంగా వస్తాయి నేను, రైట్? సో ఫర్ నౌ we can check with the here coefficients of this higher order is m cube, that is 1 minus 7 16 minus 12. If you check with 1 0, here it is 1 1 into 1 1, it is minus 6 here 10 1 into 10, that is 10. No, it is not coming here. Just go with the 2. So it is 1 2 into 1 2, then 5 minus 5 here 2 into minus 5, that is minus 10. So you will have 6, then 2 into 6, it is 12 plus 12 minus 12 get cancelled. Your answer is 0 here. So now we can say one root is 2 nana. సో నెక్స్ట్ ఏం చేస్తారంటే ఇక్కడ వచ్చిన 3 ఏదైతే ఉన్నాయో వాటి నుంచి ఇప్పుడు m క్యూబ్ నుంచి వచ్చింది కదా, ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఏమొస్తుంది, ఒక రూట్ వెళ్ళిపోయిన తర్వాత m స్క్వేర్ నుంచి. సో రైట్ ద అనదర్ యాక్సిలరీ ఈక్వేషన్ m స్క్వేర్ minus 5m plus 6 is equal to 0, right? So this is the auxiliary equation now you got. So from this you will get another 2 roots. You got one here, one root, that is 2. So m is equal to 2. And tell me what are the 2 roots, other 2 roots we are getting from this? If you solve this m square, sorry,
3, 2, sir.
very good. So that is 2 comma 3, right? Now if you see, 2 roots are real and equal and other is distinct. So your general solution y is equal to c1 plus c2x into e power 2x plus c3 e power 3x. This is your general solution, right? These kind of questions won't come because somewhat lengthy procedure, ఎందుకంటే synthetic division అప్లై చేయాలంటే కనుక కొంచెం టెక్నిక్ ఉండాలి. Now try to see the next one. The solution of differential equation d square minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. So now tell me what are the roots you will get from this?
Plus or minus 1, sir.
It's plus or minus 1. Very good. So m is equal to plus or minus 1. Only 2 roots. What about the other 2 roots? That also plus or minus 1. Right? So you put plus 1 plus 1. 2 roots are real and equal. Minus 1 minus 1. So general solution y is equal to c1 plus c2x into e power minus x plus c3 plus c4x into e power x. So this is your general solution. Now try to see the next one. dq by dqy minus 4d square. Here they missed y, and just give me, yes, this is d square y, d into y plus 6y. Yes, dqy minus 4d square y plus dy plus 6y is equal to 0. So from this, if you make auxiliary equation, it will come m cube minus 4m square plus m plus 6 is equal to 0. So using the synthetic division, you will get the roots, right? So where are the cofactors of this, the coefficients of this? 1 minus 4 1 6. So 6 came వస్తాయి మనకి 1 minus 1 2 minus 2 3 minus 3 4 రాదు, next 6 minus 6. So now I'm considering here 3 nana, 3 satisfied అవుతుంది. Here 0, that is 1. 3 into 1 3 minus 4 plus 3, it will come minus 1. Then 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3. 1 into 1 minus 3, it will come minus 2. 3 into minus 2, it is minus 6. So your answer is here, it is 0. So now your one root is 3, and make another quadratic equation from this. M square minus m minus 2 is equal to 0. So from this you will get the other 2 roots. So tell me what the other roots, 2 roots are getting.
2, minus 1, sir.
2 comma minus 1. Yes, very good. 2 comma minus 1 is the correct answer. So m is equal to, here 1 is 3, 2 minus 1. So 3 are different. So y is equal to c1 e power minus x plus c2 e power 2x plus c3 e power 3x. This is your answer. Now try to see the next one. d cube by dx cube plus 6d square by dx square plus 11 dy by dx plus 6y is equal to 0. So if you write the auxiliary equation, what will become? M cube plus 6m square plus 11m plus 6 is equal to 0. Coefficients 1, 6, 11, 6. So again here for the 6. So 6 ki meeku 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 3 allow stay. So I'm considering here minus 2, 0, then 1, minus 2 into 1, that is minus 2. 6 minus 2 to become 4. 4 into minus 2, that is minus 8. Here it will become 3. Minus 2 into 3, that is minus 6. So plus 6 minus 6 will get cancelled. Answer is 0 here. So you will get another equation from this: m cube m square plus 4m plus 3 is equal to 0. So tell me what the roots. Other root is coming. One is minus 2.
Minus 1, minus 3, sir.
Very good. Minus 1 comma minus 3. So all are different roots. So y is equal to c1 e power minus 3x plus c2 e power minus 2x plus c3 e power
minus 3.
minus 3x. Right. Now try to see the next one. D cube plus d square plus d plus 1. So if you write the auxiliary equation, what will become? M cube plus m square plus m plus 1 is equal to 0. ఇక్కడ 1 ఉంది, మీకు సింపుల్ గా 1 కి వచ్చేసి 1 కామా మైనస్ 1 ఆ రెండిట్లోనే ఉంటుంది అనమాట. రైట్. సో హియర్ ఇఫ్ యు రైట్ ద coefficients here 1, 1, 1. So let us suppose take minus 1 here. This is 0, this is 1, minus 1 into 0 here, here it is 1, it is minus 1, 0. Then here minus 1 into 0, again 0. Then here it will come 1, minus 1 into 1, it is minus 1. So here you will get 0. So here one root is minus 1 and other roots are here m square. There is no m term here. Then plus 1 is equal to 0. So from this m square will become what? Minus 1. What m will become?
1. Plus or minus 1.
Plus or minus? Minus ఉంది కదా. So plus or minus I nana. Right. So here one root is minus 1. So your general solution y is equal to c1 e power minus x plus ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఉన్న 0 అయిపోతుంది, ఇది రియల్ పార్ట్. సో కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్స్ అప్లై చేయండి. కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్స్ ఏమవుతుంది? ఎట్లాగా ఇనిషియల్ పార్ట్ 0, దెన్ c1 cos x ప్లస్, సారీ c1 అయిపోయింది కదా, c2 cos x ప్లస్ c3 sin x.